I have got a super quick, super short, super easy, but really delicious, no bake recipe for you today. It's peanut butter oat cups, 4 ingredients. We're gonna dump a cup of oats into the bowl, then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter or your nut butter of choice, and you're just gonna mix it till it comes together. Then we're gonna add it to a mini cupcake pan. A word of caution, if you don't have a silicone pan, I would use papers, otherwise you are not going to get them back out of your pan. I put 1 tablespoon into the bottom of each, and then I use a greased tablespoon to push it down and make a little divot inside. And then we're going to make our filling, and it's 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of more nut butter of choice. We're going to pop that in the microwave in 30-second bursts until it's nice and melted. And then we're going to add a little bit of chocolate, about a tablespoon to the top of each. I like to use a spoon to sort of level it off and seal the edges. And then we're going to pop this in the fridge or the freezer until it's set. And if you like, before you pop it in the fridge or freezer, you can top it with some flaky sea salt or some chopped nuts of choice. I use sliced almonds. And enjoy, guys. The bottom is like a nut buttery granola bar, and the top is this fudgy peanut butter layer. It's so delicious, and they don't last very long around here.